Hello and welcome to another update video about AVAX Avalanche. Yeah, we are at my price target. My last video I made on the 6th of January and we've come to my price target at $62 and therefore I'd like to update now where we are going to head next, in my opinion. I mean, generally AVAX Avalanche has been quite a bit of a success story on this channel and also for channel members who are following my buy and sell orders, because since I have started to give out my own buy and sell orders, AVAX did reach here the high at around $130. My sell order was triggered at around 124, so pretty much at the top, and since then we have been dropping nicely. Since then also we have in my last video we were around $95 we had, or 90, we had just broken that ascending trend line, and yeah, from here then I said that because we did break that trend line and because of the pattern here, this ABC, which we are doing for many other cryptos as well, or in many other charts, ABC, yeah, that we are certainly going to retest the previous low, which we had here, the wave A here, and we came to that, and then I said that with a high probability we're also going to see the 0.618 Fib level at 62, and we've come to that now around 3 weeks later. So, and therefore I'd like to update you now where we could be heading next. I did give you in that video an Elliott wave count, and there are two possibilities basically. Well, there are various possibilities, also how you can characterize all of this down here. In the end, it doesn't matter for the outcome, but what would matter a little bit for the outcome is there is a possibility that basically this here was, yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, yeah, that we've seen something like that. That is one possibility, or there is also an alternative. If I go to the 4-hour chart, we can probably see that here a little bit better, and the assumption would be then that this here was the wave 4, this was a wave 5. That is possible. A wave 5 can also be shorter than the wave 3, but I don't think it was the case. I think we are seeing here pretty much something like that playing out. AB 1, 2, 3, 4 with that long wave 5 to the upside, and then an ABC correction. That makes more sense to me, also considering what the other cryptos are doing. And if I take the same Fib levels as I've been doing for the other cryptos, then I would expect the price now to head lower, yeah. And I'm quite confident in saying that now, because we've made a lower low compared to the wave A. We've broken below the wave A. To be fair, we've hit the 0.618 Fib level as I expected, and the 0.618 Fib level is a very important one. And theoretically, we could say, yeah, maybe AVAX has completed now the correction, right? Because the 0.618 in a correction like that is a very typical Fib level to be seen, but considering that most altcoins are actually dropping lower than that at the moment, all the way down to the 0.786 at least, which would be here for AVAX $39. I think we're going to see that as well. Yeah, I think we are. So I think we could really get into this range here between the 0.887 and the 0.786, between $25 and $39. However, as I said, we've hit the 0.618. That was my immediate target level in my last video. And because we have already come below the wave A, yeah, not every crypto has done that. So we have come down below the wave A, and we've seen here very nice 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 potentially. You know, potentially we could have here seen the low, but it's not confirmed yet. I'd like to see here, I mean, what we see here could be potentially interpreted as a first impulse with a wave 1, 2, a wave 3 now, but then it starts again, then you've got you're coming down too much, then you have here another 1, 2. Yeah, it doesn't look too good. It's looking rather corrective actually. Definitely less strong than what we've seen here down. So I think this might be something like more of an extended wave down, and yeah, we could then see really here that next move into this area between the 0.887 and the 0.786 Fib level. So pretty much all running in line with expectations. Really nice to see that we did not come back to the $124 level, and that's basically because profits were taken up here. and they can now be reinvested. And at least I do that. And everybody who wants to see my own buy and sell orders can, of course, do that by joining the channel membership, and you can see them on Discord, and I update them regularly. Bear in mind, it's not day trading, it's more like swing trading, catching the larger waves, dollar cost averaging in low, dollar cost averaging out high. And that way I try to avoid that I miss any peaks. So I want to take profit, of course, high, buy low. And a lot of people who just hodl through miss these peaks. And it always depends on when you buy and sell a crypto. When you buy, then you are very happy when the price goes up, but because you never sell and then the price drops, you sometimes lose all of it again. You lose all the potential profits, and I try to avoid that. I want to give here some value back and really communicate when I mean, of course I can make mistakes. Of course I make many mistakes during the day as well. Everything could be better. Of course it could, but I try to give my best here really to make you aware when at least I sell and buy, and then you can come to your own conclusions based on that. But what I really wanted to show you here is this descending trend line as well. So we broke the ascending trend line, so it confirmed basically that we're in this downtrend, and now we see this descending trend line that isn't broken yet. At least to confirm an uptrend, I would like to see that descending trend line broken, and also we are now below the 200-day moving average. Now that is sitting at $66 roughly, and we have broken below 66, so we're just below that. I think that line isn't lost yet, but the bulls and the bears are fighting around this $200-day line, so it is quite crucial. And looking at what the general crypto market is doing, I'd be quite confident to say that we're also going to lose the $62 level, and we're going to see here the $39, $40 level. Personally, I'm happy to buy here at the moment. I'm starting to dollar cost average in already into AVAX because I find the prices phenomenal, because I took profits higher. So basically I get now more AVAX with my dollars, and I'm prepared to hold also if the price is going to drop another, even another 50%. But considering from where we come, this drop is to be seen rather low, from 125 up there. We've already come to 65, so another drop to 39 wouldn't be dramatic in my view. And even a drop to 24, 25, I think at the latest here, the price should have a good chance to turn around, and then we should see a nice start with the spaceship, hopefully, to new highs, and they could take us all the way then potentially to at least $232. That'd be nice, wouldn't it? 232, maybe even all the way up to 370, depending on how this impulse is going to take place. And that would be a very, very nice increase, especially if we drop a little bit lower, have a chance to buy more a little bit down here. For in the current dip, I would always leave a little bit more money aside, because we know that prices could drop a little bit more. So I try to hold some money back all the time and allocate some money from my income basically for the ongoing purchases of these cryptos, because I think these prices might not come back as soon as we have gone up again. But that's only my opinion. I'm not gonna hype and moon here anything. As you know, I try to remain realistic here. But we've seen these crazy price increases many times before. But I think before we see that, there is a good chance that we could correct a little bit more, especially if you look at here, to finalize this video, take a look at the weekly RSI, which has just lost the bullish line, the 50 line, and also because on the MACD on the weekly, we've seen this bearish cross, and it's just dropping and dropping and dropping and not slowing down yet. All right, hopefully you liked the update. If you did, please smash the like button and subscribe. And again, if you like the content and want to see my buy and sell orders and join a great community now with over 750 members, then join Telegram and Discord and join the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.